Hey everyone! Today, let's keep working on this Swiss roll cake together. For materials, I'm using 4-ply milk cotton yarn with 2.5 and 2.8 meter crochet hooks. You'll also need scissors, a darning needle, stitch markers, Fiberfill, and some glue. Now let's make the cake body. First, chain 21. Turn, and starting from the second chain from the hook, make 20 single crochet stitches. Chain 1, turn, and make another 20 single crochets. Normally, you'd just insert your hook right here. But if you want a clean, straight edge without any bumps, work that last stitch into this outer loop right here. After that, chain 1 and make 20 single crochets. Repeat this for a total of about 53 rows of single crochet. Next, for the cream filling, I'm switching to a 2-point Amigurumi hook. We'll hold 2 strands of yarn together for this part. Start by chaining 16. Then turn and make 14 double crochets, starting from the 3rd chain from the hook. Then, chain 2 and turn, make another 14 double crochets. And for the last stitch, you also work it into the outer loop. Make 14 rows in total. Next, let's make the mini cookies. You'll need to crochet 2 pieces like this, and then sew them together. At this point, add a little Fiberfill, then continue sewing it closed. Then, use a darker shade of brown yarn to embroider the chocolate chips onto the cookie. Make 3 cookies like this in total. Now, let's make the mango topping. Start with 8 single crochets in a magic ring. Slip stitch into the first stitch to join the round, then chain 1. For round 2, repeat the pattern of 1 single crochet and 3 single crochets in the same stitch 4 times. For round 3, work 16 single crochets in the back loops only. For rounds 4 and 5, continue with 16 single crochets each. For round 6, repeat the pattern of 1 single crochet and a 3-stitch single crochet decrease 4 times. Cut the yarn, leaving a long tail for sewing the opening closed. Then stuff it with Fiberfill. Make 2 pieces like this. Next, let's make the cookie. Round 1, start with 6 single crochets in a magic ring. Round 2, 6 increases. For round 3, chain 2, then slip stitch into the next stitch, and repeat this pattern all the way around. Make 3 pieces in total, 2 in black and 1 in white. Now let's make the strawberry. Round 1, 6 single crochets in a magic ring. Round 2. Repeat 1 single crochet and 1 increase 3 times. Round 3. Repeat 1 single crochet, 1 increase, but 1 single crochet 3 times. Round 4, repeat 3 single crochets and 1 increase 3 times. Round 5, repeat 2 single crochets, 1 increase, 0.2 single crochets 3 times. Round 6. Repeat 5 single crochets and 1 increase 3 times. Round 7. Repeat 3 single crochets, 1 increase, 0.3 single crochets 3 times. Round 8, change to light red yarn and work 24 single crochets. For round 9, switch to white yarn and work 24 single crochets. For round 10, work 12 invisible decreases. Cut the yarn, leaving a long tail to sew the opening closed. Stuff with Fiberfill and sew it shut. Next, let's make the strawberry stem. Round 1, 10 single crochets in a magic ring. For round 2, chain 4. Then starting from the second chain from the hook, work 1 slip stitch. One single crochet and 1/2 double crochet. Skip 1 stitch and slip stitch into the next stitch. Repeat this 5 times. Use glue to attach the stem onto the strawberry. Next, let's make the cream. Use 2 strands held together for the cream part. First, chain 41. Then starting from the second chain from the hook, work 40 single crochets. Next, work 40 single crochets into the front loops only, which are the loops closest to you. Finally, work 40 single crochets into the remaining back loops in the middle. Roll up the 2 pastry layers with the cream filling like this. And remember to apply some glue to secure it firmly. For the white cream, hold 2 strands together and chain to your desired length. The black part is also made by chaining. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.